Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Raj, and this is my preparation for the blizzard of 2026 in February in New Jersey or East Coast. So it's forecasted in the weather that going to be a lot of snow, could be like 3 feet. So these are some of the precautions of preparation we are doing. So first of all, I purchased this cover for the windshield for the car. So it does have this clip which goes on a wheel. Then there's a cover for your mirrors, and then there's another clip which either goes to the back wheel, trim pieces, or in a handle, anywhere you can put it, so it doesn't matter. So basically it's gonna prevent from car, so basically it prevents from the top driver half roof, and then goes back the down, and then cover the area where the wipers are and everything. So basically you don't have to really scratch off the ice or anything. Then the other preparation I did, which was looking a little bit funny, but this is the cover from the mattress left over, and I just placed it on the windshield of my van, and I tucked it in the passenger door, and then I placed some of the old ice on the windshield, so it's gonna remain there. And then on the other side there is, again, it tucked in with the clips, and it's tied with the door and everything. And by the time the snow is falling already, as you can see, it's giving enough weight on it, so it's not gonna blow away with the wind, hopefully. But we will be watching it from the window, if it's going anywhere or not. And the third thing, actually, what I did was pretty funny, but I'm gonna try it. So this is the cover for the pool. This is like 12 feet by 24 feet cover, and I tied it with the male post, and it's my one car is on the top of it. So we're gonna see how it's going to work out, and it will be easy for us to clean the snow or not, and I will be updating you. All right guys, see you.